My beautiful and amazing people, hey, wonders they say it shall never end. Oh, when they talk and say a good dancer knows when to leave the dance floor. Now this one be the proper description of wetin we dey talk. Omo, no be small thing o. I say I hear this very information. My body weak like idodo wey fall for inside oil. I am like, this is unbelievable. Coming from Ipa at this point in time. When e don try go left, try go right, e see say go no go, come no come to catch Reji, e no fit catch her for anywhere at all. E no fit let people hate her and she still dey wax stronger and she's becoming that woman she always want to become. E don dey come out with another propaganda again o, according to the information making rounds on the media space. My people, make una draw una chair come closer, make una come hear matter. Why I talk am say if this information is correct, na im be say Ipa need rehabilitation with immediate effect. And aside rehabilitation, they need to carry am sit down, make dem flog am wetin no good, make im eye fit clear say no be everybody na im go spoil their reputation like this. I remember when that guy wey dem dey call Tuma come out on this media space come shout say Regina Daniel dey nakademus somebody for Abuja. She get boyfriend for Abuja wey dey nakademus her. That time wey she and Ipa still dey, when their marriage dey strong, when they never go south, Ipa practically arrested that guy, put am for kirikiri, wey be say Omoyele Sowore go for the guy. Him and Omoyele Sowore come dey do back and forth, so tey e come post am say this thing wey Omoyele Sowore dey do so na better thing. A man practically came out and call im wife say im wife dey chiti under im custody, say and e no get evidence. This one, that one, say im wife no be like that. He has never had any record of her doing anything of such. What now change all of a sudden because una don go south, una marriage don go south, you don dey bring chiti come for inside matter. My people, according to the information right now, they allege say Ipa now dey talk say make Reji come carry her second son, say because the pikin e no be im own. Say they have gone to do DNA in a big reputable hospital that confirmed it that that pikin wey be the second one wey black, wey they call Khalifa, say e no be im pikin at all. Whereas na that one na even resemble am pass. They say no, e no resemble am. Say na lie, no be im pikin. Make Reji come carry the boy. Going to that hospital wey be say they say na Oyinbo people na dem full am. Say before you go see nurse wey be Nigeria person for there, na by connection. And that hospital have been the one taking most of their tests, anything wey dem do, like na reputable hospital wey be say dem know dem, say dem no dey do partial. They dey for Nigeria here, for Lagos to be precise. But they dey like say na obodo oyibo, you no fit bribe them, you no fit give them money say make them shut up, enter house, and so on and so forth. So from nowhere, na Ipa bring evidence say they talk am say that pikin e no be im own. 2%, which automatically means that Reji don go nakademus another man for outside, take bring that pikin come give am say na im get am. Now the question wey me I get before I go forge ahead be say, if you say that pikin no be your own, how come for 7 good years wey una dey, that pikin don dey go 4 years, abi 3 years now? You never for one day come talk am say no be you born am, no be you get am, while you guys were together. Na now wey she come comot for your house, na you come realize yourself, come realize say you go do DNA, you go come out with result say no be she get, no be you get the pikin. Say make she come collect her pikin, go look for who get pikin. say no be you get am, the pikin no resemble you, knowing fully well that that child, that boy, na replica of Ipa. No be every pikin normally na im go carry papa body. Say see Leila children, see Reji first son, all of them dey carry the same face, see their body, the same body. But this one now come go fat, e come black, e come get round face, e come get this, e come get that. I am like, wow. If Ipa was a person, man of a particular concern, say that particular hospital na hospital wey no dey do fabu fabu, they no dey bring fake, say and they no dey bribe them, say it is coming directly, say she have every right to go back there and do the DNA or take it to Obodo Oyinbo and go and do it to confirm am. Say this one is coming from a legit source. Now, you know, say im be wan use druggy matter take bring the girl down because of say she no wan marry again. As druggy matter no work, e don enter say pikin now no be her own, so that they go come talk say the girl no dey faithful when she dey for inside the marriage. Whereas when this whole thing begin, when they started this whole drama put together, Reji practically said it that at least she might be everything in one. She fit be useless. She fit dey take druggy according to wetin im talk. But he no fit come hit im chest, talk am say Reji, dey nakademus for outside. At least she has been faithful for 7 good years of her life. She said it. For people wey dey follow this matter dey come, una go agree with me. Maybe una go don see am that time wey this thing dey hot. She say she agree to be everything, but he no fit beat im chest say she dey follow man. Unlike Leila, wey im bin come out come talk that time say she carry im money go do body and say she dey nakademus men for outside. Say in her own case is different. He cannot boast it. He cannot swear say she dey unfaithful. But she fit be everything. Oh, if he talk say she be everything, but he no fit come talk that kind thing at this point in time, which automatically means that her hands dey clean. She has been faithful to him for inside the marriage. Now the girl come say she no go do again. E don dey come out with different propaganda, so that by the time wey dem come dey dent the girl image, saying that the girl dey take druggy, na as a result of the druggy na im make her she come dey go nakademus for outside. Because I see some people now don dey talk and say, una remember say Reji bin come talk say Ipa get her video, an nakademus video. So could it be that maybe the man caught her red-handed with another man, na im be the video wey she dey talk? Because make it make sense. How come she come dey talk say the man get an nakademus video, na only that one na im e fit use against her? Of which they come clarify the air that Ipa was, anytime wey im travel, im dey always tell Reji make she touch herself, make she do this, do that, send for am. Naked herself, send am for am. So im dey always tell her that one. So na all those ones na im get wey im wan use against her by going to tell them for NDLEA or anywhere wey im wan prove a point, to tell them say see am oo, anytime wey she don take druggy, e don high well, e go start dey misbehave. She go start dey pull all her cloth wey God take create her, come start dey do video of nakademus. Say na wetin im bin wan use against her be that. So that is why she publicly come let the whole world know now say in case una see her nakademus video for outside, she no do am with anybody oo. Na him tell her say make she do am. Now him wan use am against her. Of which that one no sell. Now he don come up with another one. Pikin wey dey with you for how many years now? You no talk. Na now wey the girl no gree, you wan come use am now take dey find her up and down, dey find how you go take spoil her reputation, so that by the time wey everybody see her as a nakademus wife under her husband watch, she leave her husband go dey nakademus, knowing fully well say the society will not accept that. As the druggy own no sell, e wan use this one now take hold the girl to ransom, take put her for where she no know. But one thing wey everybody fail to understand be say nothing wey Ipa wan tell people now wey they go believe, because the first one wey im talk, e no fly. Saying that but now I fear for her life. She be druggy addict. Even me like this, I fear for her life. As that one no say, na im enter another one. Omo guys, na wow. Now you can't know say make she come collect her pikin. Say and you go publicly come disgrace her. Chai! Na true na dem dey talk am say even fool, person wey be mumu dey old too. Na im be this one so. Person wey mumu too dey old. No be only person wey wise dey old, person wey mumu also dey old. Omo, Ipa you do this one. For pikin wey look like you, wey be say na im even look like you pass every other children, na im you open mouth talk say no be you get am, and that you have evidence, you have proof to prove to everybody wey care to lis ten, and that this hospital wey confirm am, no be say na Abuja the hospital dey before they go talk say and the hospital na white men hospital before they go talk say na Nigeria they don compromise, they don this, they don that. Na obodo oyibo they cannot lie. Chai! Na wow. Na how human being take dey be this? Say marriage don become by force? As if Reji know when she talk am say the man is an evil man. As if she know when she practically pack her bag and baggages, carry her shoe, dust am, knack am, kpakam, say, I no dey do again. So na like this una dey do for here. Now you say make she come collect her pikin. The other day you say the pikin dey cry, e dey disturb. Make she come carry am. Now you don come up with another one again. Say no be your pikin, na only 2%. And out of the 2%, na just the physical wetin. But the DNA itself confirm am say no be you get am. Na wow. To take catch woman for this life, e don become a thing of by fire by force. And now we come dey for generation wey be say nobody really care again. Gen Zs now, their eyes don open. Unlike before, you go dey hear, I don't want them to spoil my reputation. Now, nothing like that oh. If something like that dey exist, I believe Regina Daniel go don come out, come talk am. Say see as e be, see as e be. Just the way she come out, come talk about say her video of say the way God take create her, dey Ipa hand that he wan use am against her. I didn't mean say something like that happen. Say no be him get pikin, she for don come talk am before he even talk am. So which automatically means that it is just a propaganda to spoil her name, so that she will be looking stupid before people, because he don see her say she's coming back small to limelight. The same Reji wey be say when she dey for Ipa house, you hardly see her for any gathering of her fellow colleague dem. You hardly see her for burial, for wedding, for occasion. You hardly see her even for film wey she dey act. She hardly touch him body, she hardly gum body, she hardly do so many things out of fear. And the same you wey talk say Ishi Nakademus, see where this man no know, hey God, you see say person wey dey lie sometimes, him by himself go dey catch himself. You wey talk say if you marry your wives dem, the very day wey you marry her, you put 1 or 2 for their body, then do 1 or 2 oaths. Say if the Nakademus another person, they go buy. The same you now don come dey talk say she Nakademus another man, so say the man give her belle, she no buy. She born the pikin finish. Now you say pikin no be your own. Say na make she go look for the father of the pikin. Say na woman wey carry pikin, na him know the pikin father. E no kpai o. And you say una do 1 or 2. Now wey she leave your house, you come dey talk and say if she go Nakademus another man, she go kpai. See say dis man just dey catch himself, dey complicate himself, only him by himself. My people, abi una no dey see wetin I dey see? Make una come, make we interact for the comment section. Do well to give the video a massive thumbs up. Help us share like for more like minds and more recommendation. I remain your humble girl Gifted Gist. I'm going to bring una later. See you guys in my next upload. Bye for now.